Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube page. It's your girl Victoria. Yes, Victoria. So let me walk you through how I turn my hair blonde. So I'm going blonde for the first time in my life. I'm going completely blonde, and this is because I just wanted to do something different. So yeah, I'm going from this to blonde from my roots up. And yeah, I'm going to be cutting my hair. My hair is going to be shorter than this. I'm going to do some big chop. Yes, we are going to be doing big chop. Yeah, I'm going to do a big chop. Then I would style my hair properly and do the end of the video so that you would see the results. But the products I'm going to be using, I would use this developer. So these products I'm using, I'm not really going to put a link to. I'm not going to put a link in my description because I didn't like order them online. I just walked into a shop and I got it. And the powder I'm going to be using, this is the powder I'm going to be using. So I'm really hoping that this is not a bleach powder. I don't know. Is it that there are no blonde dyes apart from like good dyes like Adore, Creme of Nature? So that's what I use. Disclaimer, I use Adore, Creme of Nature for my normal hair dyeing, okay? Because those ones I carry them like normally, but this one is going to be like a one-time thing that I might fade and I'll just go back to the normal thing I'm doing. So these kind of dyes, they are not very, I don't know, but I don't think this is a bleach or a normal dye, but I'm going to be trying it. So this bleach or dye, I'll be mixing it with this developer, and I would go in with it and let it set. Hopefully I get the kind of shade I want. There's a particular shade of blonde I have in mind, but stick around and let's see how it goes. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. I love you. See you. So stick around and see the progress that we make.
Shine bright in a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we find what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything.
So guys, this is where I'm at. The color is turning into. I don't know if I should go and wash it yet. Okay. I don't know if I should go and wash it just yet. Well, here is what it's looking like. It's not white yet, it's still having this gold kind of yellow feel, but I want it to be blonde. I hope I'm getting it right. So yeah, stick around to see what it will look like because I'm going to be washing it now. Let me go and wash it off and see.
One eternity later.
Guys, this is what it's looking like. I can't really tell what the actual color is, but I think I achieved what I wanted. So I'm going to wait for tomorrow morning to be sure what this color is. If it's actually blonde or it's very light gold, I don't know. But I want it blonde, so I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning. By then I want to allow it to dry naturally. Then I will be sure what the color is. I'm going to style it and show you guys the end result. Stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is your girl Victoria, and I'll be bringing you interesting content. Yeah, so hold on. Let tomorrow reach so that I'll style it and show you the end result. By then I've cut it and styled it and
everything.
A few inches later.
So hi guys, so this is the finished look. Yeah, So I had to turn, so because of the color of my hair, you might not really see the design I did, but I don't know, let's see if you see, but it's really long. So yeah. And if you watch very well, I did the baby curl in front, so it gives it this more feminine vibe. So yeah, the products I used were what I showed you earlier, the developer and the bleaching powder. So yeah, that's how I achieved this color. So I allowed the dye sit for, let's say, about 15 minutes, the bleach powder to sit for maybe 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, let's say 10 minutes. Yes, let's say 10 minutes. I covered it and I allowed it to sit. I was waiting for it to turn to what I exactly wanted, and the color looks good. I like what I have. I'm happy that I didn't have to like dye it twice to get this. But another thing I can do with this hair is to roll it, and so that it has curls. I'll do that, and that's how I'm going to be styling it. So I can either use like this a foam tool, or I will roll it, and it's still going to have this beautiful look. So for it to still look very feminine, I did the baby curls. So I got what I wanted, and I'm happy. I'm super happy. Yeah, this is it. So for my friend that cuts my hair, you can hit him up on Instagram, First Touch Barbers. That's his Instagram handle, so you could always reach him there. He's really good, really good. So I had to call him in because I couldn't do the whole finishing and lining and some other things myself. So I needed somebody else to do it because my hair is quite bright, so that I don't miss any points. So he had to come and help me do it. Yeah, and that's for that. So thanks for sticking around and watching my video. I remain your girl, Victoria. So this channel, we spread the love of God, talk about a lot of things, do hairstyling, music and all. So I'm here to give you good content. Stick around. Thanks for watching this video till this point. Thank you very much. I hope you liked it and you were able to get what you want to get from this video. So yeah, you can try using a bleach powder developer. You can dye your hair yourself, and blonde is not really a bad idea, though I don't intend carrying this hairstyle for the longest. No, I'm going to go back to my normal pixie cuts and go back to my black, and then ginger tips. Yeah, okay, thank you very much, love you, see, thank you very much for sticking around.
Hey love, welcome to my compound. Listen to what I have to say on V's Talk. Sing the gospel, fashion, and do some hairstyling. Come do lifestyle with me.